In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal with Whatnot. By the end, your PayPal account will be ready to use at checkout on Whatnot, making purchases fast and secure. You'll just need access to Whatnot and an active PayPal account. This walkthrough works on desktop and mobile, though the layout may look slightly different. Start by heading to whatnot.com and landing on the home page. Look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile icon lives. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a simple person icon. Click that icon to open your account menu, then choose Account Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you manage your profile, preferences, and payments. On the settings page, focus on the left-hand side panel. This is your navigation menu. Find and select Payments and Shipping. Opening this section brings you to your payment methods and related preferences. Within Payments and Shipping, look for the Payment Methods area. You should see an option to add a new method. Click Add. A list of available options will appear. Choose PayPal. Next, select PayPal Checkout. This selection ensures Whatnot uses PayPal's secure checkout flow, so your financial details stay with PayPal. A PayPal pop-up window will open. If you don't see it, check whether your browser blocked the pop-up and allow it for this step. In the PayPal window, follow the prompts. If asked, sign in to your PayPal account. Review the connection details so you understand what access you're granting. When you're ready, click Agree and continue to authorize the link. This confirms that Whatnot can use PayPal as a payment method for your purchases. After you confirm, the window will close or redirect you back to Whatnot. Give it a moment to update. You should now see PayPal listed under your payment methods, indicating the connection is complete. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're signed into the correct Whatnot account before you start. And if you use an ad or pop-up blocker, temporarily allow the PayPal window so the authorization can go through. Remember, your PayPal password is handled only by PayPal during this process. That's it. To recap, open Whatnot, go to your profile icon, open account settings, head to payments and shipping, click add, choose PayPal, select PayPal checkout, and confirm by clicking agree and continue in the pop-up. Your PayPal is now linked and ready to use.